Now, this customer here told me about this other lady whose driveway I cleaned last year. She wants me to go back over there and clean in the corner by her front door from at the sidewalk. She said something about that it's black from the rain coming off the roof, and I'm sure it is. I mean, we are in Louisiana, and we do get lots of algae and mold down here where the sun don't shine on the property. And I'm just about there. It's just right here, right around this little curve right here. All right, so let's see what this one looks like. I cleaned this house and driveway last year, and the driveway still looks wonderful. And the house is, I saw it when I drove up that it is black over there, where that, right in the corner, right up in there on the other side of this little wall. It's black from the rain falling down and then the sun not being able to dry it up fast enough. All right, guys, if you like this kind of content from me, the 4 of you that subscribe to my channel, sure would be nice if, 2 or 3 more. I do have a goal of 10 subscribers by the end of June, so appreciate it if you would like and subscribe and comment. I'm a semi-retired dude, and this is just giving me something to do, keeping me out of my wife's hair. I'm sure a lot of you know what that feels like. So I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. Appreciate it, guys. I'll check back in a little bit. All right, let's go see what this looks like up here. I'm probably just going to hit it with pump-up sprayer and then rinse it off. There's my pump-up sprayer. Handy dandy little thing from Walmart. Let's go take a look at this. This house and driveway still looks wonderful. And there it is. It doesn't even look good. It looks decent. Just got a little bit of green right here. That's all that it is. Go ahead and hit this with a pump-up sprayer. I'm gonna head home and get something cold to drink and try to edit some of this together. And like I said prior, if y'all like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. leave a comment. I will reply to all comments. Just try not to be too nasty. All right, for that quick little sidewalk job, all I did was get the pump sprayer out and hit it with about a 5% mix, let it sit for a couple minutes, rinse it off, and I charged $25 for that. The lady whose driveway I washed this morning is friends with her down there at the sidewalk. And that sidewalk lady, I washed her house and driveway, like I said, last year. So I just charged her 25 bucks, took me 10 minutes. The worst part about it was I had to roll up a hose. All right, everyone, all 4 of you. I appreciate the effort of watching, and we'll see you on the next one. If you would, let me know which part of this you like the best, and anything that I can do better as far as the videos. I know my editing needs a lot of help, but like I said before, I am not from the generation, the look at me now generation. I'm from the get up and get it done generation. Let me know what you like most about this. Appreciate it, guys.